Students, now discuss about infertility and assisted reproductive technology, ART. Infertility. Infertility, that means biological inability of the person to contribute the conception. Okay? Conception, it is the process between the egg and the sperm cell. Egg and the sperm cell fused with each other, that is called fertilization, and leads to the pregnancy and goes to the gradual development and leads to the pregnancy. Okay, that is conception. Contribution of the conception is provides by the individuals. It is goes to inability. Biological inability of person to contribute conception is called infertility. Okay, what are the reasons for infertility? It is the reasons could be physical, genetical, and psychological, and certain diseases, and the drugs, and immunological reasons. So many types of the reasons that causes the infertility in the human beings, in the couples. Okay, student, these are the problems are various in amount, such as physical, genetic, certain diseases, drugs, immunological, and psychological. Any amount of the problem is there that is related with the reproductive system also goes to the inability of infertility. Inability of the fertility. Inability of fertility. Okay, goes to infertility. Next, and this is the problem. Infertility is solved by treated with the assisted reproductive technology, ART. Question: procedures adopted for the correction of infertility. Assisted reproductive technology, in this some amount of the techniques or the procedures are followed by the individuals. Okay, individuals or the couples for the correction of the infertility. Infertility is corrected by the assisted reproductive technology. Okay, in males and females or couples could be assisted to have children through the certain techniques. By using of the certain techniques, certain procedures, this is the infertility is corrected. Infertility is corrected. Okay, and helpful to have the children by the couples or the females, males. Okay, that is assisted reproductive technology. The assisted reproductive technology, following techniques are used. First one is in vitro fertilization and embryo transfer. Second one is zygote intrafallopian transfer. Third one is gamete intrafallopian transfer. Fourth one is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. And fifth one is artificial insemination. This first one, in vitro fertilization and embryo transfer, IVF, in vitro fertilization and embryo transfer, IVF, ET. Student, these are very important. Carefully listen. In this, fertilization of ovum by sperm, fertilization of the ovum by the sperm is done outside the body of woman. Okay, normally fertilization takes place in fallopian tube of the female, but in these conditions, IVF ET, fertilization of the ovum by the sperm is done outside of the woman. Okay, under the laboratory conditions. That means and zygote is formed. This is the zygote goes to the gradual development and forms the stage that consists 8 blastomere. Okay, developed embryo that contain at the time of the 8 blastomeres, it is transferred to the mother uterus or the wife uterus to the next development or further development. This is the entire procedure is also called test tube baby procedure. Test tube baby procedure. Student, zygote under simulated conditions. Simulated conditions means same environment which is present in the uterus part of the female reproductive system. That same type of the environment is created in laboratory conditions, in lab. That is called simulated conditions. Zygote which is present under the simulated conditions in the lab. Okay, and this is the zygote transfer to the mother uterus for next development. If a mother uterus not medically fit to receive that type of the embryo and can be implanted into surrogate mother. Okay, surrogate mother, that means another female individual is selected to implant that type of the embryo which is present at the 8 blastomeres stage. Okay, female partner or the wife is not fit to transfer the type of the embryo. Okay, and that can be implanted into surrogate mother. Okay, surrogate mother is carries the pregnancy. Okay, next zygote intrafallopian transfer. Zygote intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer. Ovum is extracted and fertilized in vitro conditions. Student, ovum is extracted from the female partner and zygote in vitro conditions, it is important, outside the body of the female uterus, outside the body of the female reproductive system. In laboratory condition, that means ovum is extracted and fertilized with the sperm in vitro conditions, in laboratory conditions, and zygote is transferred to women's fallopian tube for next development or further development. Student, that is the zygote after fertilization in simulated conditions, in vitro conditions. That is the zygote is transferred to the fallopian tube. Intrafallopian means inside of the fallopian tube. Okay, that is the zygote goes to the next development. Next, third, gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT. Okay, student, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Okay, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Gamete is a transfer to the fallopian tube, into the fallopian tube. In this, women cannot produce ova. That is the female partner, woman, inability to produce ova. Okay, due to the effect of the diseases and any defects that are present in the ovaries of the female reproductive system. Okay, but provide environment for fertilization and the development. But ovaries are not ova not produces from the ovaries of the female reproductive system, but wife or the female partner at the same time having normal conditions to fertilization and the next development of the embryo. Okay, in these cases, ovum is collected from the female donor. Ovum is collected from the female donor and transferred to the fallopian tube of the recipient woman. If the conditions, ova is received from the female donor, another one of the woman. Okay, that is the ova is transferred into the fallopian tube of the wife. Next, and the intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. These students, sperm is directly injected to ovum. Okay, this is the procedure is followed by the couples. Okay, in this male partner inability to produce normal count of the sperms at the time of the ejaculation or insemination. Okay, sperm is directly injected into ovum with the help of the microscopic needle to form embryo in lab. Okay, student, in laboratory conditions, another male donor from the male donor receives sperms, and these are the sperm is directly injected into the ovum with the help of microscopic needle to form embryo. Okay, in laboratory conditions. Later the embryo is transferred into the female's uterus, wife uterus. Okay. Next, and the final one, artificial insemination, AI, artificial insemination. This is the technique, is the procedure, is followed by the couples. In this, male partner having less sperm count. Okay, student. Semen is collected from healthy donor. Healthy male donor. Sperm is collected from the healthy male donor and introduced into uterus. That is the sperm count or the semen is introduced into the uterus of the female. Okay. This process is called intrauterine insemination, IUI, for achieving fertilization, for getting fertilization.